Oregano tea cures strep throat, sinus infections, and the flu. In the world of effective all-natural home remedies, oregano tea is at the top of the list. Oregano tea has been used traditionally for centuries as a treatment for different ailments. It's made up of several phytonutrients including thymol and rosmarinic acid. These powerful antioxidants work to repair damage to cells throughout the body. Oregano is part of the mint family. It's often used in Italian dishes to add flavor. The leaves contain more than 40 different medicinal compounds, many of which are antioxidants that work to protect the cells from free radicals. Oregano has also been found to have antiseptic properties, which help to slow the growth of microorganisms that may harm the body. Oregano tea can help soothe and heal a sore throat, sinus problems and infections, but that's not all. According to a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology, oregano extract may also improve cancer indicators. Researchers found that colon cancer cells slowed their growth and eventually died when exposed to oregano extract. The International Food Journal of Sciences and Nutrition found that drinking oregano tea has such strong antioxidant results that it can also help lower LDL cholesterol levels in the body. Whether you're feeling ill or you just want to give your body a powerful antioxidant boost, oregano tea is the perfect natural concoction. It's packed full of antioxidants, antiseptics and antivirals that can kick your immune system into gear, and help get your health back on track. Here's what you can use it for: colds and coughs, strep throat, nasal congestion, headaches, swollen glands, flu, ear infections, sinus infections, indigestion, heartburn, menstrual pain, urinary problems, constipation, parasites, fatigue, back pain. Make your own oregano tea. You can make oregano tea from fresh or dried leaves, and the best news is, it's super simple. All you need is some oregano and some water. Here's how to make it at home. Fresh leaf ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1½ tablespoon of fresh oregano leaves. Fresh leaf instructions: 1. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 2. Finely chop the oregano leaves and place them in 2 cups. 3. Pour the water over the oregano leaves and into the cups. 4. Let sit for about 5-10 minutes before drinking. Dry leaf ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Dry leaf instructions: 1. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 2. Divide dried oregano into the 2 cups. 3. Pour the water over the leaves and into the cups. 4. Let sit for a few minutes before drinking. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.